Welcome back to another Toy Discoveries video. In this video, we're not unboxing any toys, but in this video, we're doing something different. We're getting crafty. I'm going to show you how we can recycle some of the things we have at home and make them into new things. So this clay pot over here, it was from yogurt. And now I'm going to recycle this and make it into a flower pot. I'm also going to show you how to paint Peppa Pig so we can decorate it. You can decorate it however you like with some finger paints. But in this video, I will show you how to finger paint Peppa Pig. And then we're going to use this flower that I got from the store and plant it in this clay pot. What you will need to recreate this flower pot is some finger paints that I have here, black, pink, red, white, dark green, light green, yellow, purple, and orange. You'll need a little bit of soil to add to the pot after we've planted the flower, some water to water the plant, an old towel to wipe your fingers from the finger paint every time you want to change colors, and that's it. Let's get started. So we'll first begin by washing our container that we want to use. It can be a clay pot, a plastic yogurt cup, anything that has a clear surface so you can draw on, you can use. We're going to start with the color pink because Peppa Pig is pink. We're going to dip our finger in and draw a circle for her head. Now we're going to dab some more paint in the side of her head, like this, to make her nose. And now her ears. You can wipe away any mistakes like that before it dries. Now that we've done her head, we're going to set this down, close our pink, and use red to make her dress. Peppa Pig's favorite color is red, so we're going to be using red to make her dress. We're going to kind of draw a square to create the shape of a dress. Now that we've made her dress, we can wipe our fingers with our towel like this and use some more pink for her arms and legs. Make sure to always close your paints so they don't spill accidentally. Now we're going to take our pink again, and in order to draw her arms, we're going to use our smallest finger, which is our pinky, to make her arms nice and small. And we're going to use some more pink for her legs. And some black for her eyes. And we can use some darker pink for her smile. There we go. It doesn't have to be perfect. Now we're going to draw some flowers. We're going to use some dark green. Because we're painting with our fingers, things won't look exactly the same like they do on television or on pictures, but we can try our best to have fun and create nice things. So this is the grass. Now we're going to use our lighter green and we're going to paint some flower stems. Like this. And some on the other side. Now we're going to take some of the colors that I've showed you before in the beginning of the video to dab some and create some colorful flowers. This is the color orange. And we can use some yellow and some purple for the rest. Yellow. And the last color we're going to use is purple. So now, as this dries, we can continue on to planting our flower. To plant our flower, we're going to drop a little bit of soil. And now that there's some soil in our pot, like this, you can move it around with your fingers and make some room for the plant. Now, we can get a plant from the store or the gardening center or anywhere you can find a small plant. We're going to slowly pour our flower into the pot. So now that we have our plant, we're going to slowly pull it out. You can do this with the help of a grown-up. We're going to break a little bit of the soil. So now that we've planted our flower in the pot, the last step is to take the water that we had saved over here and pour some in the pot, so the water can get absorbed by the soil. Water helps plants grow. Our flower pot with Peppa Pig painted on it is finished. This is what your flower pot can look like, or even better. So now that we've created our flower pot, we can decorate it somewhere near the sun and help our flower grow. That was all for today. I hope you enjoyed finger painting Peppa Pig with me and creating this nice flower pot. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Toy Discoveries for more videos.